Before we dive into the delicious world of Greek food, remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing facts and insights. Greek cuisine, a storied pillar of Mediterranean diet, is a feast of history and geography served on a platter. Its roots run deep into the annals of time, with influences from both Eastern and Western cultures, creating a culinary tapestry that is as diverse as it is flavorful. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients are the heart and soul of Greek food, and the balance between meat, vegetables and grains is a testament to its wholesome and robust character. Picture sun-ripened tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, succulent olives, and rich creamy feta cheese. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread, the sizzle of grilled lamb, and the comforting warmth of a bowl of lentil soup. Greek cuisine is a celebration of simplicity and taste, where each dish tells a story of the land, the people, and the seasons. So, Greek cuisine isn't just about taste, it's a reflection of the country's history and geography. Now, let's delve into some of the most popular dishes that Greek cuisine has to offer. First on our list is moussaka. This is a hearty, layered dish that is often compared to lasagna. However, the flavors are distinctly Greek. Moussaka is made by layering fried aubergine, potato, and a spiced meat sauce, usually lamb. This is then topped with a creamy bechamel sauce and baked until golden and bubbling. The result is a rich, comforting dish that is a staple at Greek family gatherings. Next, we have souvlaki. This is one of Greece's most famous exports and is beloved by street food aficionados worldwide. Souvlaki consists of small pieces of meat and sometimes vegetables grilled on a skewer. It can be served on its own, with a side of tzatziki sauce or wrapped in a soft pita bread. The meat used can vary, but it's typically pork in Greece. However, chicken, beef and lamb are also popular. The key to great souvlaki is the marinade, a mix of olive oil, lemon juice and Greek herbs and spices. Last but certainly not least, we have baklava. This sweet treat is the perfect end to any Greek meal, made with layers of finely chopped nuts, sugar and spices, sandwiched between flaky filo pastry and then soaked in a sweet syrup. Baklava is a dessert lover's dream. It's crunchy, sweet and incredibly Moorish. The nuts used can vary, but pistachios, walnuts and almonds are the most common. Each of these dishes showcases the flavors and techniques that are central to Greek cooking. Fresh ingredients, simple preparation methods, and a balance of flavors are key. Whether it's the hearty comfort of moussaka, the char-grilled goodness of souvlaki, or the sweet crunch of baklava, these dishes offer a taste of Greece's rich culinary heritage. Whether you're a meat lover, a vegetarian, or someone with a sweet tooth, Greek cuisine has something for everyone. But Greek food is more than just tasty dishes. It's about the culture and tradition that surround it. In Greece, food isn't just a means to an end, it's an integral part of their society. It's not uncommon to see large gatherings around a dining table where meals are shared among family and friends. This community-focused dining is a testament to the Greeks' love for camaraderie and unity. But it doesn't stop there. The tradition of long, leisurely meals is a cornerstone of Greek culture. Meals aren't rushed affairs but slow, enjoyable experiences where every bite is savored and every moment cherished. It's a time for conversation, laughter, and bonding. Hospitality plays a significant role as well. Greeks take pride in welcoming guests with open arms and a hearty meal. It's their way of showing love and building connections. So, when you're in Greece, expect to be treated like family at the dining table. In Greece, food isn't just about sustenance, it's a way of bringing people together and celebrating life. So, that's a brief overview of Greek cuisine, but there's so much more to explore. If you've never tried Greek food, you're in for a treat. Picture this, a symphony of flavors dancing on your tongue, from the tangy feta cheese to the rich, succulent olives, all enveloped in the warm embrace of freshly baked pita bread. Imagine the crunch of a golden flaky spanakopita, the comforting warmth of a bowl of moussaka, the refreshing zing of tzatziki. Greek cuisine is like a treasure trove, filled to the brim with a variety of dishes that cater to every palate. It's a cuisine that's rich, diverse, and deeply rooted in tradition. Every morsel of Greek food is a testament to the love and care that goes into its preparation, a celebration of the country's vibrant culture and heritage. Remember, every bite of Greek food is a journey through centuries of history, culture, and tradition. So next time you're eating Greek, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your soul. Subscribe for more such interesting facts about world cuisines. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.